Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smokers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a barbecue enthusiast or just getting started, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Pit Boss 10697 Tabletop Wood Grill. This compact and portable smoker is perfect for those who value mobility without sacrificing performance. With a 256 square inch porcelain-coated cooking surface and a 5-pound wood pellet hopper, it's ideal for small gatherings or tailgating. The digital control board with LED readout makes temperature adjustments simple, offering a range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and even direct flame grilling up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for added versatility. The design exudes a rugged charm with its mahogany finish and powder-coated steel body. While the build quality is solid, the smaller cooking area might not be sufficient for larger groups. Performance-wise, the Pit Boss impresses with its ability to maintain steady temperatures and deliver a rich wood-smoked flavor. However, the smaller hopper means you'll need to refill more frequently during longer smoking sessions. This smoker is a great value for those who need a portable option that still packs a punch. Its compact size and versatility make it ideal for apartment dwellers or weekend adventurers. Some cons include its limited cooking space and the need for occasional pellet refills, but overall, it's a solid choice for the price. At number 4 is the budget-friendly Royal Gourmet CC1830S 30-inch barbecue charcoal grill and offset smoker. This smoker boasts an impressive 811 square inches of total cooking space, including a main grilling area, a warming rack, and an offset smoker. The adjustable charcoal pan offers precise heat control, while the side door makes it easy to add charcoal and remove ashes during cooking. A lid-mounted thermometer also ensures you can monitor temperatures without guesswork. The design is functional, yet simple, with a sturdy steel frame and ample workspace provided by side tables and a bottom shelf. While it's not as insulated as higher-end models, it delivers reliable performance for the price. The offset smoker attachment allows for authentic low and slow barbecue, though it may require more attention to maintain temperature consistency. This is the perfect entry-level smoker for those on a tight budget or who are new to smoking. It's great for camping trips or small backyard cookouts. On the downside, the build quality isn't as robust as premium models, and it lacks advanced features like digital controls. But for only $110, it's a fantastic way to get started with smoking. At number 3, we have the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker. This vertical smoker offers 710 square inches of cooking space across 4 chrome-coated racks, enough to handle up to 7 chickens or 4 racks of ribs. Its digital controls allow you to set the temperature up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and the patented side wood chip loader lets you add flavor without opening the door and losing heat. The design is sleek and functional, featuring a viewing window, a lockable door latch, and a fully insulated body. The removable water bowl adds moisture to your dishes, while the rear grease tray simplifies cleanup. Users love the set-it-and-forget-it convenience, though the limited maximum temperature may not suit those looking for high-heat grilling options. This smoker is perfect for families or anyone who wants to enjoy smoking without constant monitoring. The build quality and features justify its price point, though its reliance on electricity means it's not ideal for camping or off-grid use. Overall, it's a dependable choice for consistent results and hassle-free operation. Taking the second spot on our list is the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker. With 725 square inches of cooking space and the ability to maintain smoke for up to 6 times longer on a single load, this smoker is built for efficiency and ease of use. The built-in meat probe tracks internal temperatures in real time, and digital controls make it easy to set and forget. The side chip loader allows you to add wood chips without interrupting the smoking process. A design is compact but offers plenty of cooking space for larger batches, making it ideal for family gatherings or meal prep. The powder-coated steel body ensures durability, while the glass door adds a modern touch. One standout feature is the automatic keep warm mode, which activates once the target temperature is reached. However, at 62 pounds, it's heavier than some alternatives. This smoker is an excellent choice for those who want a high-performing, user-friendly electric smoker. Its ability to deliver consistent results with minimal effort makes it a favorite among busy home cooks. The only downside is its reliance on electricity, which limits portability. But for backyard use, it's a fantastic pick. Finally, at number 1, we have the East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30 inches electric smoker. This premium smoker features 725 square inches of cooking space, an elevated stand for ergonomic convenience, and the ability to smoke up to 6 times longer on a single load. Like its sibling, it includes a built-in meat probe, digital controls, and a side chip loader for uninterrupted smoking. The elevated stand sets it apart, making it more comfortable to use for extended periods. The build quality is exceptional, with a powder-coated steel body and a sleek, modern design. The glass door and easy-to-read controls make it a joy to use, while the Keep Warm mode ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature. At 59 pounds, it's slightly lighter than the non-pro version, but still offers a robust and durable frame. This smoker is the ultimate choice for those who want the best of the best. It's ideal for serious barbecue enthusiasts who value convenience, performance, and a touch of luxury. The only con is the higher price point, but with its features and quality, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for a top-tier electric smoker, the East Oak Ridgewood Pro is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy smoking, and see you in the next video.